Hello all. Myself Priyanka Jain. We are at ISA Vision Summit event at Bangalore. This is NXP booth. We are showcasing a glimpse into how NXP impacts the world. With the advancement in ADAS and software-defined vehicle, there is a lot of data that is getting generated within the car, and we need means of high processing and to communicate that data within vehicle and outside the vehicle. This is Goldbox, that is based on SU2G2. It actually connects all the ECUs within the car and communicates the data to the connectivity domain controller. This is OrangeBox. That's a reference solution for connectivity domain. It combines various technologies like BLE, UWB, V2X, 5G, Wi-Fi, all into a single box. They showcase NXP technologies. It has NXP I.MX, DXL+, SU2K, V2S, BLE, all coming from NXP. This gets fit into the shark fin antenna on top of the car. This is Goldbox is basically to showcase a gateway that connects the ECUs within the car, and this gets connected to the connectivity domain controller that's actually communicate with the outside world in a safe and secure way. This is our facial demo that is based on new MCS N series from NXP. Is actually showcasing doing the facial recognition as well as doing the motor control, and it is running at a very low speed of 150 megahertz. It demonstrates how we can actually use this MCS kind of thing at for the low power consumption use cases. It is running at 150 megahertz. It can be used for various applications like in the industrial, biometric access control, for the handheld devices like watches, phones, for anomaly detection, which requires very low power consumption. Okay, this is a driver monitoring system that is based on I.MX 93 application that actually combines a vision processor and the NPU, neural processor unit. This is a camera that takes the images of the driver. The vision processor at the end actually do the processing, pass on the image to the NPU, which detects whether the driver is driving in the safe position or it's a dangerous, so it gives the alert. So again, this I.MX 93 is just one of the demo. It can be used for various other applications like it also can be used to teach new students for safe driver initiatives, for other use cases which require vision processor as well as an NPU. This is MR Buggy 3, Mobile Robotics Buggy 3, that is a software-defined autonomous vehicle reference example. This combines NXP-based technologies from NXP like NavQ Plus, I.MX 8MP Plus, which has a AIQ AI engine within it, CANUP 3, which processes data from various IMU sensors and controls the motor, do a motor control, TJ ETH5, which can has an adapter, BMS, motor control, all within a single box. This EIQ engine takes data from LiDAR, camera and radar, use GPS, detects the surrounding around it, and actually can do the autonomous driving. It has a EIQ engine on it. It also put like various open source software. All the reference software are in the open source, so anyone can actually build their solutions using this kit. This showcases how NXP technology can be used in rover and drone solutions, and this can be used in various end use cases applications like e-scooter, e-bikes, last mile delivery, warehouse inventory, medical equipment transfers, lawn mower, garden. That's it. Okay, this is a MyFair, which is basically give us this is a single card that gives access to various. It is a multi-purpose card. It can be used, gives a secure access, and it can be used on various multiple locations. For example, this is you can see this is urban area, city center, transport hub, and then you can actually get access into various places like museum, gym, etc. It can actually fit in various form factor. This is like in form of card or as small as a button or a ring. Thank you.